How to play emoji game on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Did you know that Instagram recently rolled out a secret feature allowing you to play games within Instagram chats? That's right. If you are unaware of this exciting feature, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I will show you how to play the emoji game on Instagram. Let's dive in. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon located at the top. Choose the Instagram account you want to chat with. Start a conversation with the selected person. If you are waiting for a response and want to pass the time, initiate the emoji game. In order to initiate, send an emoji from the emoji tab of your keyboard. Once sent, tap on the emoji to start the game. The game objective is to prevent the emoji from reaching the bottom of the screen. Use the rectangular shape at the bottom to bounce the emoji and keep it offload. Try to achieve high scores by making successful hits. Play the emoji game to pass the time while waiting for a response from the user. And just like that, you can easily enjoy playing emoji games on Instagram. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.